cost of a cake was 3 times that of a bun. Yeni bought all 3 items for $21.50. How much did she pay for the bun? So let's start with the first comparison. It tells us the pie costs 50 cents more than a cake. So if I want to draw the model for the pie and the pie has to be longer than the cake because pie is more than the cake. And then the portion that is more than, we will label it 50 cents. So next comparison, it tells us the cost of the cake was 3 times that of a bun. That means the 3 times the price of the bun. So they're just comparing the cost of the cake and the bun. So with this, you see that the cake you have already drawn. So here is just 1 unit. So if you look at this sentence on its own, right? If you see that cake is 3 times of a bun, usually your cake is 3 units and your bun is 1 unit. But here, your cake is only 1 unit. So how do we make it 3 units? You have to cut it. And with that, it becomes 3 units and your bun will just be the 1 unit like this. So if you cut here, you must also cut the respective portion here into 3, like this. So with that, you have finished cutting. So let's label the total for the 3 items is $21.50. So looking at this here, we see that these are your equal units, right? And here is your extra. So you always have to take total minus extra. So it's $21.50 minus 50 cents gives you $21. So this $21 is this remaining equal unit. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. So 7 units equals to $21. We always have to find 1 unit. You take $21 divided by 7 equals to $3. So once you find the 1 unit, you go back to the question. They're asking for the bun. So bun is just here, which is 1 unit. So we've already found our answer. It's $3.